Hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel where we constantly update you for your dream job. We are back here today with a huge announcement from Amazon. So Amazon has recently announced its first ever career day, which will be held on the 16th of September. There will be close to 8,000 job openings through this drive. So today, through the course of today's video, I'll be telling you everything about the Amazon career day, and I'll also be sharing my screen and I'll be taking you through the registration process, the dates of the career day, the timings, etc. Before we start today's video, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification for all of our upcoming videos. Also, let me tell you that CantileverLabs is now offering a free course for all of you aspirants with which you can prepare for aptitude, coding, mock interviews and test series for absolutely free and crack top companies' hiring exams like TCS Ninja, TCS NQT, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant and many more. Kindly access this course through the link mentioned in the description box below, and let's get started with today's video. So I am Jenica from CantileverLabs, and now let's take a look about the Amazon Career Day and how you should register for it. Okay, so now as you guys already know, Amazon is an online retail giant and will be hosting its first ever Career Day in India on the 16th of September. So this would be a virtual event and also an informative session which will give you an insight as to how people work in multinational companies, and also will give you a platform to have a fireside chat with all the important personalities working at Amazon, including the CEO. So Amazon has announced that it is currently hiring for more than 8,000 direct job openings across 35 cities in India. So these job opportunities are spread across different roles like corporate, technology, customer service and operational roles. Alright, so guys, now the event link with which you can register has been dropped in the description box below, and I'll now be sharing my screen and I'll be taking you through the entire registration process and all the details regarding this career day. So the link is in the description box below, and just take a look at that, and let's get started with how to register and all the details. Alright, so guys, now this is the main homepage that you will be directed to if you click on the link that's mentioned in the description box as well. So this is the main page, and as I told you earlier, it will be on the 16th of September, the Amazon Career Day, and it will start at 10 a.m. IST and it will end at approximately 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So before we move ahead on the registration part, let's just take a look at some of the common FAQs so that you'll get a better idea of the event registration details, the event information, about the career coaching sessions, and also about the application and interview part. So here you'll get all the registration details, which I'll also be covering in this video. So for the application part and the interview part, you need to first go here and you need to have a look at what Amazon jobs are available. So there are 8,000 job openings, but first you need to filter down on what roles you're eligible for, and accordingly have a look at what roles they're offering right now. So just click on the Amazon jobs portal and you will be directed here. And here you can see that there are 304 job openings, but you also have to filter down to what all are available in India and what all meet your requirements and your eligibility criteria. So just filter here and by location and job category and job type, and just take a look at what all job profiles are available before you even go ahead with the Amazon Career Day. So just take a detailed look at what all job offerings are there, the eligibility criteria, the last date, the registration process for those particular job roles. Just take a look at all of that before you move ahead with the career day registration. So once you're done with that, then after you go ahead and take a look at all of the FAQs and all of the details and about the career coaching sessions as well, and how you can apply for them and what the registration part for that is. So once you register for the career coaching sessions, you will receive a mail. You will receive a separate mail for that, for which you can confirm your slot timing. So just take care of all of that and do a separate registration for that as well. So just take a look at this entire page and go through the entire process. So once that's done, you can click on register now for the main event, and you will be displayed this page here, and you just have to choose on register. So it's very straightforward, not much from here, and you can just read through what all is mentioned. So this is for the main program only. This is not for the career coaching session. So just have a look at the FAQs part and see on how you can register for that. And once you register, you will get a mail, and in that mail you can choose your slot timings. So guys, that's all about the registration part. So guys, this is a golden opportunity for anyone struggling to get a job. So register yourself as early as possible and grab this chance to get placed at Amazon. So guys, now that was all for today's video, and we hope that you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kindly let us know through the comment section below as to what topics you want us to make the next videos on, and we will be happy to do so. We will be coming up with more such content soon, but till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also check out our Instagram and Discord channels as we keep updating them with all such hiring updates and all such notifications related to the latest upcoming drives. So until then, thank you for watching.